Okay guys, what I wanted to do is send you a file of what the correct program box office would look like. So here we go. The first part of this code has a comment here, and I only put one line for this comment, but really your comment should be 4 or 5 lines. It should reflect the entire task sheet, so your task, your input, your output, your processing, your special concerns. Okay, then I've got your pound includes here. Notice I put IO manip because I'm going to use set width and set precision, and I've got a string in here for the movie name. Okay, then what happens? Then what happens is I've got a string movie name, and I've got my variables A sold, C sold, G profit, in profit, D fee. These things here are variables that we're going to actually use in the program. Notice how descriptive they are. Also notice the constants here in all caps, A price and C price. What's a constant? A locked variable in RAM. Okay, then what happens is I actually ask for the movie name. Notice I'm using get line here, not send. Remember, send won't read white space. Then I'm going ahead and getting the tickets sold and the children tickets sold right here. C out, C in, C out, C in. That's my input. Now I'm processing. G profit is A sold times A price plus C sold times C price, and I'm using constants here. The net profit is G profit times 0.2, that's 20%, and the D fee is G profit minus in profit. Now that's all my processing, and then I need this line here to make sure that I can set up my output properly. Fixed means no E notation. Show point means show trailing zeros in a decimal point. And set precision 2 means use 2 places to the right of the decimal point. Now here goes the actual output. Movie name, set width 49, M name. So I want everything to end at column 60, and if it's a money field I want to have 10 places. Notice down here 10 places before the actual variable that's holding the dollars and cents. But if I'm not having a money field, then I don't need those 10 spaces. So right here, movie name actually is 11. 11 from 60 is a set width 49. M name will be right justified in a field 49 things big. Adult ticket sold is 19, and I take 19 subtracted from 60, and A sold will be right justified in a field 41 things big. Okay, children tickets sold is 22 characters wide. I take 22 and subtract it from 60, and C sold is in a field 38 characters wide. Now for the last three, I want all these dollars and cents variables to be placed right justified in a field 10 things wide. Gross profit, I believe, is, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, it's 13. 13 and 10 is 23. 23 from 60 is 37. The dollar sign is right justified in a field 37 things wide. Now, what's the result of all this kind of processing? Well, here is your program. And here is where I'm asking the questions. Okay? And then here is all my output. And do you notice my output? It all ends at column 60 right here. And you notice the dollar sign? My variables with money are right justified in a field 10 places big. And do you notice the dollar sign here for the gross profit is actually right justified in a field 37 things big? Well, how did I get that? I took these 13, added it to this 10, 23 from 60 because I wanted to end at 60, and then I put the dollar sign in the field 37 things big, right justified. Now I got plenty of videos on that. But anyway, this is the output. This is the program that I wanted you to use.